Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to seriously upgrade your workspace connectivity, you need to check out the Dell USB 3.0 Ultra HD 4K Triple Display Docking Station, model D3100. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss future reviews. This black docking station is designed to be the central hub for your portable PC, letting you connect to up to 3 additional monitors, various peripherals, and the internet, AL with a single USB 3.0 cable. It's compact and supports high-speed data transfer, making it great for productivity. For display power, you get support for one Ultra HD 4K display and 2 Full HD displays. Connectivity is robust. It features 3 super-speed USB 3.0 ports, 2 USB 2.0 ports for older peripherals, a network RJ45 port for reliable internet, and audio input and output jacks. Video output includes 2 HDMI ports, one of which comes with an HDMI to DVI adapter, and 1 DisplayPort output. System requirements are straightforward, needing Windows XP through Windows 10. While it's fantastic for expanding your visual real estate and connecting essential gear, remember this is optimized for Dell notebooks like certain Latitude and Inspiron models. It is a universal USB 3.0 dock. It weighs just over 10 ounces and has a total of 7 USB ports available. If you need enterprise features, it supports Wake on LAN and PXE boot on selected platforms. It's a powerful way to instantly customize your desktop environment, connecting everything with minimal fuss. Check the description for links to see if it's compatible with your setup. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.